This is the second part of the test video. I'm recording on 480p, 480 pixels on 60 frames per second again. Still can't see no difference in light brightness, so that is annoying. So I can't use this for reviews in the night. Only on midday. Can't see my fucking big speakers neither. Only my TV, because that is the brightest one. Even the TV is getting less bright, so it is a bit disappointing. Let's do a test sound again. First test if the microphone is okay. That's left, now right. Now the bass. That's okay as well. Now let's see how it sounds like on the computer. Hope you enjoy this, and yeah, see you again. Bye.